In a peaceful forest lived a flock of colorful birds who shared a big banyan tree. They were all different in color and size, but they lived happily together. One day, a strong storm hit the forest. The winds roared and the branches shook. A little yellow bird said, "Let's hold the branches tightly together. If we stay close, the wind can't blow us away." All the birds came closer, locked their claws, and held their wings together. The wind pushed hard, but their unity made the branch strong. When the storm ended, their tree still stood strong, while many others had fallen. The oldest red bird said, "One bird alone is weak, but many birds together become strength." From that day, the birds stayed united forever. Moral: unity is strength. When we stand together, no problem is too big.